Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have Honor Magic 8 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to use Magic Capsule on this device. Let's open settings, and you want to scroll down to section notifications and status bar, and at the top you will see Magic Capsule. So here you can toggle on the applications or system services that you want to appear in your dynamic island. So it could be screen recording, face recognition, recording, media playback, and clock. And once enabled, let me show you how you can interact with your Magic Capsule. So when you leave supported application, let's say it's timer, so I will set my timer. The capsule will shrink into small circle at the top to your dynamic island. So now you want to tap this dynamic island once to expand it into pill. That shows you real-time information. But if you tap once and you tap this pill, it expands into larger control card. If you use timer application, you can stop your timer. If you use, for example, music application, you can pause your music, you can switch to different song. And if you record a video, for example, you can stop recording without opening the actual application. So those are just examples, just to understand the concept of the Magic Capsule. So that is basically it. I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.